Today's topic is the 7 most dangerous creatures that cause death annually. According to the latest statistics in America, in which the 7 most dangerous creatures in the world were classified. 1. Mosquitoes kill about 725,000 people annually. 2. The person himself is considered the second largest threat to the person himself, causing the killing of 475,000 people annually due to wars, accidents, and suicide. 3. Snakes kill 50,000 people annually. 4. Dogs kill 25,000 people annually. 5. Freshwater snails kill 20,000 people annually. 6. The tsetse fly kills 10,000 people annually. 7. The scorpion kills 3,025 people annually.